Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm NaturallyStacey, and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers, to all my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to this week's video. Alright, I see my mic in the shot, but that's okay, we're just gonna leave it. There we go. Alright, okay, we got a new video this week. What are we talking about this week? What we're talking about this week is the new FabFitFun box that I just received. So, if you guys want to know what's in this box, because I don't know what's in this box, so we're going to all be surprised together. Stay tuned. Okay, we are back, and let's see. When did I get this box? I got this box on Friday, actually, and today is Monday that I'm filming because, well, I was supposed to film this on Friday, and I just didn't feel like it. I was tired. Anyway, so we have the new fall FabFitFun box right here in front of us, right here on the table. I would show you the back, but I did not black out my name and address and all that stuff. Y'all need to know where I am. You really don't need to know where I am. It's nowhere fun. Anyway, I'm gonna cut that seal right there. And yeah, so what you got, what you all want to know what the FabFitFun box is. If you guys aren't an OG subscriber, let me tell all my new gang what the FabFitFun box is. It is a seasonal box that is $49.99. You receive every season, you know, spring, summer, fall, winter. This box is the fall box. Like I said, $49.99 for each box. You only get it 4 times a year. I have a link down in my in the description bar with a discount so you can get $10 off your first box. So without further ado, let's open le box. Woo, open. Box is open. Alright, and here is the box right here. We got Meghan Trainor on the front cover. I'm going to sit the box down on the table. Let's pray we don't have any incidents that we've had in the past boxes. Okay, let's pray. Let us pray. All right, we have the booklet right here with Meghan. Like I said, Meghan Trainor is on the front. This booklet shows everything that is in the box. We are not going to open this booklet because we are going to be surprised like we are every season. So we're going to go ahead and throw this on the floor. Next thing is ready for the most exciting event of the season, RSVP, and receive $15 off your first box. And I have another discount code here. I'm going to go ahead and put this code also in the description down below, so you guys get $15 off. The code I have is for 10. This is 15. So hey, you know, either way you'll get a box for less than what you would normally pay. Yeah, at least your first box. The next thing in here is for Hellofresh. It is an $80 gift card for Hellofresh. I've been meaning to try this. Only reason why I haven't tried it is because to get things delivered to this apartment is hell on wheels. So I would have to have it delivered to my office and then get it home. So maybe I will. I mean, it's $80. An $80 gift card. It's $80 gift card, $20 off your first 4 deliveries basically. So 4 deliveries, you get $20 off each of them. So, which is cool, and they have a code here for me. So I might try this, but it would make me have to cook, and you know, sometimes I don't cook. But you know, maybe your girl will get to cooking. Let's break the seal. We gonna break the seal. We gonna break the seal. Alright, seal is broken. And the box is looking pretty nice. It was kind of light, so I was wondering what was going on with the box. But looks like a lot of nice stuff in here. We achieved our move goal. Yay me. Let's go. Alright, first thing in the box is the Mini Eye Essentials Luxe Neutral Set from Trey. See, I can't pronounce this because it's French. But here's the box right here. Looks like it is a eyebrow. Looks like it's brows and eyeshadow. Looks like it's an eyeshadow set, which is really cool. And yeah, it's a mini brow pencil, mini shadow crayon, and 2 mini shadow crayons and an eye pencil. So it's pretty cool. So if you want to do a neutral eye, you can do that. Something fun to do. Next thing in the box is Aromatherapy Associates London Deep Relax Rollerball Restful and Tranquil Roll-On. It's this right here, and it looks like it's a 10 milliliter bottle, and it's a roll-on. Oh, I think it's a think it's a smell good. And you know we love our smell goods around here. There we go. Maybe I'll try it tonight, because some of y'all don't know, I can't sleep. I don't sleep very well, so maybe this will help me sleep at nights. Maybe. Okay, sorry guys, I had to go and let the Schmugmeister out, but that's okay. Next thing in the box is from Harper and Ari Juice Cleanse Exfoliating Sugar Cubes. That's this little jar right here. So, oh, you take a cube in the shower and you massage it over wet skin. So it's just a little cube for a little cube exfoliator, instead of, you know, dipping your hand into like a jar of exfoliator. So this is pretty cool. Let's see, is there a smell? Oh my God, it smells like, not kiwi. No, kiwi. It smells like kiwi, and it smells like, no, I'm sorry, not kiwi. Apple now laters. I'm sorry, apple now and laters. Now laters, like we say here. It smells like apple now laters, so I am so down for that. Next thing in the box is from Bubble Bar, a pair of Farrah ear crawlers. That's these right here. Actually, I have another pair over there I have not worn yet, and I want to try to figure out, if I can figure out how to wear these, I will actually put them on, because y'all know I fancy the piercings and the ear seepoos. So something cool, you know, I wouldn't mind trying that. So, you know. And the next thing in the box, it says Mystery Choice. It's in a bag. And this is, what is it? Oh, Grown Alchemist Biological Beauty. It's a detox night cream. Oh, I am so here for a detox night cream. I'm so here for this, because I think I told you guys on last week, I am into my skincare. So, and then here's the bottle right here. I am so into that. So I'm just gonna put this with my bag of other skincare things, and I'm gonna try this. If you guys want to know, if you guys want me to do a review on this, let me know, and I have no problem trying. Okay, first the cat, then my battery. This video can't go long. I'm hungry, freaking hungry. So the next thing in the box is, let's see, Humankind Skincare with a Conscience. Let's see, this is a body souffle, right here, right on the bottle. Let me see if I can get that to, come on, focus, not on my face. There we go, right there. Yeah, let's see, lightly whipped for ultimate in kindness. This is a, oh, it's a moisturizer. That's really what it is. It's a moisturizer. Oh, it's sealed. I can't open it. So this is a body moisturizer, which is good on those days that I run out of my lotion that I normally use, which I am okay with that, because I like having a backup for that stuff. And the next thing in the box is from Aveda. This is the Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair, Instant Visible Repair, Protects from Heat Styling. It's this one right here. This is a 3.4 fluid ounce bottle. You guys know I have tried Aveda products here on this channel before, and I do love some Aveda. So if you guys want to know, if you guys want me to try this out, let me know. Talk to me below. I have no problem in trying it, because you know, when it comes to a good hair product, you know, your girl is always down for a good hair product, you know. And the last thing in the box, yep, this is the last thing in the box. The last thing in the box is, what is this? Let's see, it looks like a bag, and it's Kate Spade. Y'all know I love Kate Spade. And I'll just instantly light up. It's freaking Kate Spade. I love Kate Spade. It's a makeup bag from Kate Spade. Oh my gosh. This is so freaking cute. And on the back it says out to lunch. Or is this a lunch bag? Wait a minute. Let's see. Is this a lunch bag or? Oh wait. Wait. Let's get the book. Okay. I had to go get the book. Sometimes we have to go get the book and see what it says. This is a lunch bag from Kate Spade. This is so cute. I love it. Has a little handle on top, and I needed a new small lunch bag because my original small lunch bag fell behind the refrigerator and I can't get to it. And I needed a new small bag, so I have this now, and it's Kate Spade. I am so freaking bougie. I swear to God, I'm bougie. And I mean, I would I have bought a Kate Spade lunch bag? If it was on sale, I probably would have bought a Kate Spade lunch bag. I'm not even gonna lie. If it was on sale, I probably would have bought it. I'm not even gonna lie. Is my chair up? Yep, there it is. I probably would have bought a Kate Spade lunch bag, but now to know I have one, you know I am going to use this and probably use it tomorrow. I got a cold pack in the freezer, so it's over. I am so using this lunch bag. And that is it. The box is clean. We got a cleanerson box. Let's pull the box up so you guys can see. It is a clean box, nothing in it but the confetti paper. So let's see, we got some hair care, some skincare, we got some makeup, and a lunch bag. So that is it. If you guys have any questions on FabFitFun, talk to me below. I have no problem answering any questions. I will have my link, and I will also have the extra link for $15 off also below. And that is it. I'm gonna get out of here. It is 5:16 and I am hungry. I've managed to beat the crazy sunlight, so there's no stripes across my face. Yep, I beat it. Yes. So I'm hungry. Let me go. I'll talk to you later. Love, peace, and hair products. Bye.